Into the ring with fire, dreams as high as the sky.
Magandang araw and welcome back mga ka-Sure Buyer! Ipapakita ko sa inyo today ay ang Komatsu PC60-7 closed cabin with dozer blade backhoe. Maganda, fresh from Japan unit, 100% Japan surplus at nakakasiguradong hindi China. Halika at puntahan natin ang kanyang operator's cabin at i-check ang mga functions nito. Maayos, maganda, at leather ang operator's seat. Meron itong safety lock control, swing control, travel control, running hour na 4,157, accelerator to adjust the speed, dozer blade control, and backup control. Check natin ang kanyang makina. Ito ay 4-cylinder diesel engine 4D95L-1. Sariwa at 100% Japan surplus ang kanyang makina. Next is ang kanyang dozer blade. Makapal at very applicable ito sa mga construction sites, utility work, landscaping, and road works. Ang bucket size naman nito ay 1/4 cubic meter. Maayos na maayos at siguradong magagamit pa pang matagalan. Tingnan naman natin ang kanyang swing. Very smooth ang pag-ikot, efficient and flexible na makakatulong mapadali ang inyong mga gawain. Durable ang steel trackpad nito with roller type system. Maayos, walang kalog ang upper, lower, idler rollers. It helps the machine to distribute weight more evenly. Malakas at powerful din ang kanyang main pump. Bumisita na sa Kimker Enterprises Company, your one-stop direct supplier of Japan heavy equipments and trucks, and be the first owner of our unit in the Philippines. Located along MacArthur Highway, Barangay Canyugan, Kalumpit, Bulacan. Opens Monday to Saturday from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. You may also visit our main Facebook page, Kimker Enterprises Co. Japan Surplus. Check out our official YouTube channel, Kimker Enterprises Co. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for latest videos. Hope to see you soon mga ka-Sure Buyer! Thank you for watching!